Hello everybody, RedGriff897 here, and today I am going to be making, as you probably already saw in the title, a slime video. That's right, slime. Now, I've been wanting to make slime for so long, and I finally have it. Slime. The one obsession that no one's ever, stopped loving. And by the way, I'm really sorry that I haven't uploaded in a long time, but I'm making up for that now. And this slime is just the coolest thing ever. To me, at least. I'm just kind of messing with the slime right now. And it's really cool because people actually sell kits now and just make it super easy. And I got that for my birthday, which was a while ago. And this is just so cool. I absolutely love it. And then I have this second one that's basically this one, except with the white stuff is glow in the dark apparently. I'm gonna go turn off the lights and we'll see. So apparently this is supposed to be glow in the dark, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So, sadness, it doesn't work. Sadness. Broken heart. But we can fix that heart with slime! 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 I'm going to be making a trailer right after this, so check that out too. Slime takes over. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!